In today's video, we're going to work on exercises for crossovers, specifically focusing on the second under push, which causes problems for many beginner skaters. Make sure to stay until the end of this video, as I'm going to show you two bonus exercises that will enhance your skating skills and make practicing crossovers more fun. We will start with an exercise from a standstill position, working on shifting your weight from one foot to the other. This movement is fundamental to crossovers. This exercise will help improve knee and ankle bend, hip and shoulder alignment over the skating leg, weight transfer between feet, and the ability to lean with your entire body into the circle. Even this exercise looks simple, it serves many purposes for skaters. Our second exercise focuses on bending the knees and ankles while twisting the upper body. We'll do 2-foot power pulls on small circles, drawing half circles by bending the knees and ankles into the circle and straightening them when crossing back over the line. Check your twisted position each time you return to the line and press into your feet on the ice to create a strong power pull. Next, we'll do forward slaloms along a line, keeping the knees and ankles bent while performing 1-foot swizzle around half circles. As you push, twist your upper body into the circle. This movement imitates the beginning of a forward crossover. Then we will work on forward outside edges as a warm-up for the upper body in a twisted position. While gliding on forward outside edges, push with the inside edge, extend the free leg behind, and bring your feet together when returning to the line, preparing for the crossover motion with your free leg. Now we will focus specifically on the second push in a forward crossover. Start by staying in a cross leg position, twist your upper body into the circle, bend both knees and ankles while gliding in the cross leg position, then slide the underfoot outward using the outside edge while bending the skating leg even more and keeping the hips aligned over the skating leg, gliding on the inside edge. Pull your feet closer together, straighten the knees and ankles while maintaining the crossed leg position, and repeat the movement. Bend first, slide with the outside edge under, then pull yourself up, straighten the knees and ankles, and glide in the crossed leg position. Try to keep your upper body twisted throughout the exercise. In the first version of this exercise, we keep the pushing foot on the ice without lifting it to practice the outside edge push. In the next exercise, we'll add an under push with a free leg lift after the push, extending the leg outside the circle while pointing the foot and staying balanced over the skating leg on a forward inside edge. Make sure to follow the same steps from previous exercise. Start in the crossed leg position, bend both knees and ankles, slide the free leg under on the outside edge, pick it up, glide on the forward inside edge, then bring the free leg back under to return to the crossed leg position on 2 feet. If you want to follow my in-depth tutorials and get detailed explanations for every basic element from the first step on the ice to mastering skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins, check out my Figure Skating Foundations video course on my website styleskating.com. Join our members who are rapidly improving and skating with confidence and ease after completing the course. You can find more information in the description below. Now we are going to continue working on forward crossovers, breaking them down into 4 parts. First, bend your knees and ankles and glide on 2 feet around the circle in twisted position with your upper body turned into the circle. Second, push with the inside edge and extend your free leg between the side and backward. Third, bring your feet into a crossed leg position by stepping over, then bend your knees and ankles again. Make sure to glide in this position first. And fourth, slide the other leg under with an outside edge push, extending it to the outside of the circle and gliding with control. Repeat this exercise multiple times, ensuring you go through all 4 parts of the crossover. Glide on 2 feet with bent knees and ankles, push with the inside edge, step over into the crossed leg position gliding on 2 feet with both knees and ankles bent and your hips aligned under you. Slide with the outside edge on the second push. Make sure to practice in both directions. Now try the same under push with backward crossovers. The most common mistake in backward crossovers is shifting your weight onto the front leg and pushing before fully crossing your legs. To correct this, we'll focus on crossing the legs first, then bending the knees and ankles, and finally sliding the leg under with an outside edge push. Keep your hips over your skating foot, back straight, shoulders in a twisted position, and looking in the direction of your movement. After that, straighten your knees and ankles to return to the crossed leg position, then bend your knees and ankles again before sliding your leg and pushing again. I will demonstrate this in both directions, focusing on knee and ankle bend, proper posture, hip alignment, and upper body twist. If you enjoyed this video, remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. For special perks, personalized skating advice via email, and access to videos on demand, consider joining my YouTube membership and becoming part of our growing skating community. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Now we are going to do backward crossovers the same way we did forward crossovers, breaking them down into 4 parts. Start with a backward 2-foot glide on the circle with your upper body twisted into the circle, looking in the direction of your movement and bending your knees and ankles. Push with a 1-foot swivel and glide on the backward outside edge before crossing your legs over. Check that both knees and ankles are bent while gliding on 2 feet in the crossed leg position before sliding the second foot under with an outside edge push. During this step, focus on keeping your upper body in a twisted position and your leading shoulder checked back. Start the crossover again from the 2-foot glide, keeping your knees and ankles bent. Repeat this exercise in the opposite direction, focusing on posture, arms stretched to the sides, and full extension after each push. Now is the time for our bonus exercises. We're going to do forward and backward crossovers with cross in front and cross behind. First, we will start with forward crossovers. The first crossover is a regular crossover with the cross in front. Then, after the push, we will cross the pushing leg behind into a sliding cross chassé. After that, we will start again with a normal forward crossover, alternating front cross and back cross. This variation adds a more dynamic and stylish look to basic crossovers, while helping improve hip alignment and knee and ankle bend. We will do the same with backward crossovers. Push with a 1-foot swivel, cross in front, then push again, this time cross behind into a backward slide cross chassé, extending the free leg after in front of you. Make sure to practice in both directions to develop into a well-balanced skater. By breaking crossovers into clear steps and adding these variations, you will improve your edge control, body alignment, and overall skating flow. Remember to focus on proper knee and ankle bend, posture, and upper body positioning as you practice. Keep working on these exercises in both directions to build confidence and balance on the ice. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy skating, and I see you in the next video.